Welcome back to Luxury Car, your go-to channel for the latest in high-end automobiles. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the stunning 2025 Limousine, an embodiment of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll focus entirely on its exterior design, performance capabilities, and the features that set this luxury vehicle apart. Let's begin with the design. The 2025 Limousine exudes an imposing presence, with its sleek and elongated profile. The designers have truly elevated the concept of luxury with this model, blending smooth, flowing lines with powerful curves that scream sophistication. At the front, the vehicle boasts a redesigned grille with a chrome finish, which creates a seamless flow with the headlights. The grille is flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that give the vehicle a modern and aggressive look. These headlights are not only stunning but also provide exceptional visibility, utilizing adaptive lighting technology that adjusts based on driving conditions. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Limousine maintains its hallmark of a stretched body that immediately captures attention. The long wheelbase contributes to its signature stance, creating an illusion of effortless grace as it glides down the road. The side skirts have been carefully sculpted, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and aerodynamics of the vehicle. The rear doors, a key feature of any limousine, open in a unique manner, offering passengers a grand entrance. These doors are designed with a soft close mechanism, ensuring that every movement is smooth and seamless. Now let's talk about the wheels. The 2025 Limousine comes equipped with custom-designed alloy wheels, ranging from 20 to 22 inches. These wheels are crafted to not only look stunning but also enhance the vehicle's performance. They are wrapped in high-performance tires designed for maximum grip, ensuring that the Limousine remains stable, even at high speeds. The use of lightweight materials in the construction of the wheels helps to reduce overall weight, contributing to the car's agility and handling. Performance is another key area where the 2025 Limousine excels. Under the hood, you'll find an impressive range of powertrains, from a high-performance V8 to an advanced hybrid engine option. The V8 option delivers an exhilarating 600 horsepower, allowing the Limousine to accelerate with the grace and power you'd expect from a top-tier luxury vehicle. The hybrid variant offers a more eco-conscious option without compromising on power, ensuring that luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. The adaptive suspension system smooths out any bumps in the road, providing passengers with an incredibly refined and quiet ride. At the same time, the car's active aerodynamics, such as retractable spoilers and air vents, enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. Now, let's take a closer look at the finishing touches. The 2025 Limousine's exterior is coated in a high-gloss, multi-layered paint, which gives it a mirror-like finish. A range of colors is available, from classic black and silver to more bespoke shades, offering buyers an extensive palette to match their personal taste. The chrome accents around the windows, along the side, and on the door handles further elevate the vehicle's presence. The rear of the car features sleek, integrated taillights that wrap around the edges, providing a modern and cohesive look. The vehicle's overall silhouette is further accentuated by a meticulously sculpted roof line, which helps to optimize airflow and fuel efficiency. In terms of advanced features, the 2025 Limousine is equipped with adaptive LED headlights, auto-dimming side mirrors, and a 360-degree camera system. These elements not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics but also provide the driver with an additional layer of safety and convenience. The exterior is designed to be as functional as it is beautiful, blending luxury, performance, and advanced technology into one remarkable package. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Limousine's exterior. Stay tuned for more luxury car reviews, where we'll dive deeper into other features of this incredible vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end automobile content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.